Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a clickable link in Canva. This is a great way to direct viewers to websites, social media pages, or other resources directly from your design. Now let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, let's walk through an example. We will insert an element and add a link to it. For this example, we will use the stars shape. To turn it into a clickable link, click the element, then click the three dots. You will see the link option appear. You can also press the Control key as a shortcut. Type in the link you want to use. For example, youtube.com. Once you are done, click Done and confirm. As you can see, when you click the element, it now has a clickable link attached to it. We can also add a clickable link to a text box. All we need to do is click the text box, then click Design and the three dots. Go to Link and type in the link. As you can see, the link is now added to the text box. That's how we add a clickable link in Canva. With this simple feature, we can make our designs more interactive and useful.